So our season has ended, and here we are with the last 7 gallons of maple syrup for the 2023 season. We got the Murphy cup, we got the hydrometer, we got our temperatures up. We're going to be filtering this through the filter press. So we're at temp, we'll be filtering soon. We are filtering the maple syrup now using the small bank Smoky Lake filter press. Now we're just recycling a little bit. It's coming out looking pretty clear here from here. But we'll get all the filter press charged up, ready to go. Bought a hook, a stainless steel hook from Smoky Lake. Boy, that really helps us a lot. I like it already. I think it's going to work good. It's worth it. Stainless steel. If you don't got one, you might want to think about it. So in this process, we're pulling out of our one double boiler, and we're putting it into the steamer canner. You can see it going in here. It's crystal clear. It's a dark syrup. I like dark syrup. It's my favorite. But this keeps a constant temperature with this heating element, and we're going to shoot to keep it around 185 degrees once it gets there. So that's where we're at. It was at about 187 degrees over in the canner there. The filter press takes some of the temperature out of it. We'll get it up there quickly again.